मेरे प्यारे साथियों, अब वक्त बदलने वाला है। आप सबको एकजुट होना होगा। हम बदलाव लाने वालों में से हैं। देश के युवाओं, अब सिस्टम को बताएंगे कॉकरोच क्या होते हैं। सपोर्ट करो, पेज फॉलो करो।
Remarks made by Chief Justice of India, Surya Kant, who allegedly compared unemployed youngsters to cockroaches, have now triggered massive reactions online and led to the rise of a new youth-led political outfit called the Cockroach Janta Party. The party, which came into existence on May 16th, has claimed that its X account has now been withheld in India just days after gaining massive popularity on social media. The announcement was made by the party's founding president Abhijit Deepke, who posted on his personal X account saying, as expected, Cockroach Janta Party's account has been withheld in India. Despite the restriction on X, the party has witnessed explosive growth on other social media platforms. On Instagram, the Cockroach Janta Party reportedly became the most followed political party in the world with nearly 13.8 million followers, surpassing the BJP within just 5 days. The remarks by the Chief Justice triggered widespread reactions online, following which the Cockroach Janta Party quickly gained attraction among young social media users. According to the party, its mission is to represent young people who are often labeled as lazy, chronically online, or dismissed by society. The organization also stated that it believes in the Constitution of India and aims to protect constitutional values. Several well-known political leaders, including Mahua Moitra and Kirti Azad, have also reportedly been admitted into the party. The Cockroach Janta Party has also released a 5-point manifesto. Among its major promises is a proposal stating that no Chief Justice should be given a Rajya Sabha seat after retirement. Other promises include 50% reservation for women in Parliament, banning MPs and MLAs from contesting elections for 20 years if they defect their parties, taking strict action against alleged vote deletion, and cancelling the licenses of media houses owned by the Ambani and Adani groups. So viewers, what are your thoughts on the rise of social media driven political movements in India? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.